and I can start going through my questions. My name is Randy Schuster, and my main interest of study is actually mechanical engineering. However, I got to work with many civil engineers and architects through my design career. And so now I am very broad in my interests. And what I like about the field, I like the field of design. And that's because I can translate ideas into something that can be built. Sometimes they're my ideas, sometimes they're somebody else's ideas. But that's what I really like. And I love to see the final product when it's actually built. And so, what is my goal? Why am I taking this class? And of course, I'm not taking this class, I'm teaching this class. But I did take this class. Okay, I was working away as a test site supervisor, and my boss called me in one day and said, bring your crew in on Saturday. They're going to get overtime, and it'll take about 8 hours. And he wouldn't tell me what it was. So I came in with the crew on Saturday, and my boss had us remove every drafting table, every T-square, every pencil from the office. We had 15 designers, drafters, and engineers, and replace them with computer workstations. And then on Sunday, our millwrights came in and set up the computer system, and we transitioned to CAD that next week. And I came to American River College. This was in about maybe 1990-ish, somewhere right in there. And I sat in room 309 for a week and learned AutoCAD on floppy disks. It was quite a bit different. It is so much better now. So my goal in learning AutoCAD was to keep my job and be current as a designer and engineer. And I have been doing so ever since. What experience do I have? I've got a lot of experience. I was a subcontractor as a modeler for the Academy of Sciences building. Of course, most of the time I was an engineering manager. And so I was not as involved with doing the CAD. I had to keep up. I had to be able to do it, but I was operating with it. But then when I started my own business, I became a CAD designer, mechanical, plumbing engineer. So that's my experience with AutoCAD in the field, and I keep it up to date even now. And I will post a picture of my little dog Kermit, and he's a little corgi like something mix, and he's a sweetheart. He's a stray that my daughter found. She was living in Australia at the time, still lives in Australia. She came to visit, saw him running around in the rain, opened the car door to see if he was okay, and he immediately jumped in and became my dog. And I'm so glad that he is, and that he did. So there we go. That's a little bit, and I'll post a picture in here when I get a chance.